should you wish to add a serial number to a composite item, it happens in exactly the same way as the traditional item. So let's go to inventory, let's go to composite item, let's go to new. So let's call this a bundle 3. 3 unit is a box. So we can create a item 35 and let's say item 20. There we go. Okay. So selling price we're going to copy from the total, and the cost price we're going to copy from the total. So it's just adding these up here and popping those in, saving you a bit of time. We're going to add our VAT in at 20%, and we are going to track the serial number. So the inventory asset, and we want it to be first in, first out. Now we're not going to add any opening stock, so we're just going to hit save on this. Okay, so the first thing we need to do now is create a bundle, and then we're going to allocate those serial numbers to the bundle. So let's go on here. So let's say bundle 3, colour green, for instance. So quantity to bundle. So let's bundle 25, and it's saying add the serial numbers. So great. Generate the serial numbers here. So I'm going to start at serial number 25, and it's going to go up to 50 because it's going to add one on each one. There we go. And it's saying, okay, so item 35 needs, in order for us to do that, it needs to tell us which ones of item 35 are we going to use in this part of this bundle, so we can select them. So right, they're all in there now. So I've selected which ones I'm going to be using as part of this bundle, and I have generated bundle numbers against the 25 that I've bundled. So I'm going to save these now as bundled. Okay, so this is now moving the goods in the background and creating that bundle in our inventory fixed asset account. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to sell that, so that then you can see that the bundle still follows that sales order piece. So we'll go to sales, sales order, create a new sales order. For our bundle 3. Notice it doesn't come up at the present because remember we've set it so that it will only ask for that particular serial number when it is being packed. So we're going to convert this, so we're going to create a package, and it's going to say which serial number do you want it to be. So this is when we can say actually we're going to pick number 26, for instance. So we know that item 26 has now been sold. So if we look item 26 on our bundled goods, you can see when it was bundled and what the package is and when it was left.